2/21, 2016, 8:56 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and basically it's a daily chart on the Dow Jones and the volatility. And basically, we have a major resistance area that we talked about in the previous week about this 1650 area being the wall of resistance. Stockmarketfunding.com. Right here, I would like to point out our analysis that we did on 215. And we talked about a double bottom, and we talked about the wall of resistance at 1950 area. And if you click on it here, you're going to see that live video from last week. And you're going to see how the wall of resistance is actually working. So on the home page, we have exactly what we're talking about on this oversold market short term. And so basically, we have that 1650 area, and we reversed. This was the rally. It started up. We came up here. We gapped up, and we had 4 trading days last week. 1, 2, 3, 4th, and and here's the 5th day. Basically, the Dow Jones Composite itself has this short-term support level. A break below it, we get in the 20-week moving average and the 10-day moving averages. I'm sorry, so that's a 20-day and a 10-day simple moving average on the S&P. Has the same pattern as the Dow, and the Dow and the S&P are running at the same rate of resistance and support. And these are the major resistance levels on the bear market move that we have. And now we have a reversal. So definitely the bull had a counter trend from other reversals. And you can clearly see where I'm putting my pointer at is where these reversals happened. And we rally up, but ultimately we came all the way back down here, and we've had a 4-day rally last week. The monthly chart, which I wanted to point out, is this is a monthly moving average on the Dow Jones. And we hit it, and we tested it, and we double tested it. That's a very significant support level, and that's at 15. So we're 15,642 at the 50 monthly moving average, 50 months. Let that be clear. And let the fact that the 10 and the 20 month moving averages have crossed over. So the bear is definitely still in control of this market. And we can see where these bottoms were very crucial support levels that we had over here. We rally up and we start the 2016 with the gap down, straight down. This is February. This is that strong support level as far as the monthly chart goes. Extremely support level at the 50-month simple moving average on the S&P. We're really going to focus on the monthly. And we're going to close out February, and we'll have 2 months of the new year behind us. Now, generally, at the end of a calendar weekly, monthly, weekly, the last week is of the monthly, is they like to come in and they like to buy stocks because it's called portfolio dressing, so that when they send their statements out to the users, it doesn't look as bad. And we will be right on top of what this resistance level is right over here. And this particular month is going to be that number that we talked about, the 1650 wall of resistance, the 1650 on the Dow, with a closing on there. We closed at 16,391. So basically, lower volume was there last week on a 4-day. We're coming back in tomorrow morning, people, and if we start to crack down, we've got a support level that's going to be right about here, and that's going to be the support level of this monthly February monthly bar. 1650 remains at resistance, and the 16 or 15 642 is the lower end of support at 15,642 on the Dow Jones Industrial Average.